Hi!
And welcome again to this new episode of Our Italian Kitchen. What are we going to do today?
Pomodori ripieni alla romana.
We're going to make tomato stuffed with rice. This is a typical recipe from the region of Lazio, and we only need a few ingredients to make it. There are other recipes
Yes.
in Italy, like a very famous one would be the one from Sicily. They like to put also the cooked rice, the peppers, which is very typical in their cuisine, and also some cheese, like provola cheese. There is a theory that this kind of recipe comes from the Jewish Italian tradition. If you go to the Jewish ghetto in Rome, which is one of the most ancient in Italy, you will find for sure the tomato with rice.
Okay, for our recipe we need fresh tomatoes, potatoes, basil, parsley, petrosino, parmesan or pecorino romano if you like, and rice. And naturally, salt and olive oil. Let's start. I cut the tops off and score the tomato. And I give it to Lilla and
I scoop it out.
we save the top for later. Now I put some salt in the tomatoes. Now we break the inside of the tomatoes with our hands. Parsley, basil, cheese, and just mix it all up with your hands. Now we put the rice. Lilla, your honor. 1 spoon per 1 tomato. And mix it. Oh, it smells good. Now we are going to make a bed of potatoes.
It's time to prepare the tomatoes. So, on the bottom, we're going to put the potatoes.
I like potato sticks. These potatoes are from Sila, our Calabrian mountain. And now fill the tomatoes.
Ready?
Yes, perfect. On level, because the rice will swell up and the tomatoes will explode in the oven.
The total prep time before we put the tomatoes in the oven will be around 15 minutes.
Now we put the top on the tomatoes.
Try to find the right one.
Yeah.
It's like a puzzle. No, Diego, that one is wrong.
No. Now some salt for the potatoes. Oil.
Not too much oil.
Never too much.
Never too much.
And if you like, some oregano. We're gonna put in the oven. Lilla, say.
200 degrees Celsius. Just make sure you convert them in Fahrenheit for
40-50 minutes, depend
40-50 minutes.
of your oven.
While we're waiting for the tomatoes to cook,
We take a little appetizer
we
with
can appetize it.
pecorino cheese.
And we can take advantage of this moment to answer our subscribers' questions.
Yeah.
Like, they asked me what we think about the unification of Italy and how the things changed, like from before and after.
Okay. The fact is that the north, before the unification, was the poorest part of our peninsula, and the south was the richest part. After unification, the tables turned. After 1861, the poverty take all over the country.
After the unification of Italy, there was like 75% of the population that were peasant farmers. They couldn't go to school, they only could work, and it was very common to use everything they had to eat. They used the scraps from vegetables and everything they had because they couldn't waste anything. For example, it's very popular ribollita toscana, which is very good. They use the waste of the vegetables and the old bread to make a soup which is delicious.
In our culture, nothing goes to waste.
We try not to waste anything because we know the value of food, because our country went through the wars, and our grandmothers, they know they cannot waste anything.
Yeah. Our tomatoes are ready, and
they spent almost 1 hour in the oven.
Yeah.
And everything is cooked. As you can see, the rice came a little bit out because it got fat. And now it's time to try.
We have a proverb and a brindisi, a chin chin. Say the proverb.
A mali estremi, estremi rimedi.
Explain.
Of course. When the things are very tough, you need to use extreme measures.
Okay. And I have a brindisi. A mali estremi, Lilla. Bevi e rimedi, chin chin.
So, when the things are tough in life, you just drink and you fix it.
Yeah. And everything goes better.
Buon appetito! We hope you enjoyed this episode of our Italian kitchen. Let us know if you're going to make pomodori con riso and let us know if you like them. Thank you for watching us. Subscribe if you're new to the channel and see you the next time. Bye!
Bye!